Hi, it's Connecticut car accident attorney Ryan McKeen, and I'm here to talk to you today about what happens to car seats after a car accident and does the insurance company have to pay for them? The National Highway Transportation Safety Board recommends that car seats be replaced after a moderate to significant car crash. They may not have to be replaced based upon, if it was a minor fender bender, but a moderate to severe crash, you're going to need to replace your car seats. You might want to do a careful inspection of them. You might want to take them to your local fire department to be inspected if you have any questions. But ultimately, this is your child, and car seats are expensive. Look, I am a father of two children. Car seats can go anywhere from $200 to about $500 a seat. And when you're trying to pay for daycare and diapers and food, it's no small expense for a car seat or two. Now, the insurance company of the person who hit you, they should be paying for your car seats if necessary. If this was just trading paint in a parking lot, probably not. But if this is something significant or moderate, yeah, they're going to need to replace those car seats. So you should insist upon them replacing those seats for you. Show the cost of those car seats on Amazon or eBay or wherever it is that you purchase the seats, and make them pay. And if they don't pay, what you should do is you should make that part of your claim. At Connecticut Trial Firm, we put things like that on our demand letter. We send the receipts, and we fight to make sure those car seats are paid for in car accidents. We know what the law is, and the law says that you should be made whole after a car accident, not 3/4 whole, not half whole. And if you had a good car seat before the car accident, you should have one after, because it's your child's safety and your family's financial well-being that we're talking about here. You can give me a call if you have any questions. If anybody's giving you a hard time about paying for your car seats after a Connecticut car accident, you can call us at Connecticut Trial Firm, 860-471-8333. Our phones are answered 24/7. Our attorneys are on call, and we're here to help you if you need some help or advice.